Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay XRP, kung saan ang sabi po rito ay XRP can hit $23 at $1.29 trillion market cap if it records $500 million daily ETF inflows for a year. Ayan, sabi rito ay magagawa raw po na akyatin ni XRP ang presyong $23 kapag nakamit po niya ang market cap na $1.29 trillion. Ngunit, meron pong kondisyon dito. Magagawa lamang daw po niya ito basta magkakaroon daw ng $500 million na inflows dito sa ETF sa loob ng taon na ito or sa loob ng isang taon. Kaya ayan, atin pong aalamin yung karagdagang detalye kung paano ito mangyayari. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Yan, XRP has the potential to clinch a $23.64 price target at a market cap of $1.29 trillion if it could reach $500 million daily ETF inflows consistently for a year. Ayan. Kung basta may pumapasok daw na ETF inflows kada araw na umaabot po ng $500 million, yan, dapat tuloy-tuloy daw po yan sa loob ng isang taon ay magagawang akyatin or merong kakayang akyatin si XRP ang presyong $23.64 yan, sa market cap na $1.29 trillion. The XRP community has persistently pushed to see the launch of a spot-based XRP ETF in the United States market. These calls intensified amid the sustained discussion around spot Bitcoin ETF products which launched last month. Kaya yan, ang community po ng XRP ay talagang gusto po talaga nila na magkaroon ng launching ang spot-based XRP ETF dito sa bansang US. Now, with the continued inflows into spot Bitcoin ETF and the visible impact on Bitcoin's price, conversations surrounding spot XRP ETF products have emerged. Professional game developer Chad Steingrover reignited these discussions amid a series of disclosures around crypto investment products. Kaya ayan, ngayon at nararamdaman po natin yung impact ng spot Bitcoin ETF ngayon sa presyo ni Bitcoin ay ayan, lumalabas na po yung conversations, ayan, or pinag-uusapan na po ngayon ang spot XRP ETF naman. Kaya yan, Steingraber pointed out on February 14 that XRP only recorded $500 million inflows to its investment products over the course of 4 weeks, from January 19 to February 9. According to him, these reduced capital inflows are part of the reason XRP witnesses slow growth. Yan, ayon po kay Steingraber ay nitong nakalipas na February 14 ay nakapagtala itong si XRP ng $500 million na inflows. Sa loob po yan ng 4 na linggo mula noong January 19 hanggang February 9. At ayon po kay Ginoong Steingraber ay yung pagbaba sa kanyang capital inflows na ito ay isa raw po ito sa mga dahilan kung bakit nahihirapang umangat ang market price or mabagal yung paglago ni XRP. He compared XRP's inflows to the capital flows recorded by Bitcoin, which totaled $1.089 billion over the 7-day period leading to February 9. Bitcoin's daily inflows have also been in the millions of dollars territory, bolstered by the recently approved ETF. Steingraber emphasized that BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust alone recorded $500 million inflows on February 13. This marked its largest daily inflow. The game designer presented a hypothetical scenario where XRP witnessed similar inflows daily. Kaya ayan, nagsagawa po ng pagkukumpara kasi itong si Ginoong Stain Graber dito kay Bitcoin at saka kay XRP. Dito kasi kay Bitcoin ay malaki po yung pumasok sa kanya na inflows dahil sa tulong ng kanyang kamakailang na-approve na ETF. Ayan. Kaya ayon po kay Stain Graber ay kung ganito na rin yung mararanasan ni XRP. Ayan, kung magkakaroon siya ng kanyang sariling ETF at ito po ay makakatulong para lumago or lumaki na rin yung papasok na inflows dito kay XRP. At ayan, yan na rin, makakaranas na rin po siya ng performance na katulad na nararanasan ngayon ni Bitcoin. XRP could hit $23 at 1.29 trillion market cap. Ayan. Pag nagkaroon ng matinding inflows dito kay XRP at nagawa po niyang makamit ang amount na 1.29 trillion na market cap, ay magkakaroon po ng presyo si XRP na umaabot po sa $23. In a recent post, he expanded on the possible effects such inflows could have on XRP's market cap. Notably, if XRP saw $500 million inflows, this would translate to an additional $5 billion to its market cap using the Bank of America multiplier, which sets a 1:10 ratio for capital inflows to market valuation. Yan po yung actual na tweet rito ni Chad Stain Graber. Further expanding how this bullish up. Yan po ang sabi niya rito. $5 billion in 6 days is XRP's current market cap, or $30 billion. 21 trading days, average 1 month, is $105 billion market cap. In 1 year, XRP market cap would be $1.56 trillion. This is just one asset manager. Should this level of inflows persist for 6 days, Stain Graber stressed that it would result in XRP's current valuation of $30 billion. Considering an average of 21 trading days every month, a $5 billion addition to XRP's market cap daily would lead to an extra $105 billion valuation a month. Kaya yan po ang calculation ni Ginoong Stain Graber. If the market sustains this for 1 full year, XRP would witness an extra $1.26 trillion market cap, mistakenly projected to be $1.56 trillion by Stain Graber. Meanwhile, XRP currently has a market cap of $30 billion. An addition of $1.26 trillion would result in a market cap of $1.29 trillion. In the event that XRP circulating supply of 54 billion tokens remains fairly stable within this 1-year period, this $1.29 trillion market cap would translate to a price of $23.64. At XRP's current price of 0.5579, the token would need to surge 4,137% to hit the $23.64 price. However, the feasibility of the hypothetical scenario remains contested. Notably, this presentation spotlights the possible impact of spot-based XRP ETF products if they launch in the US and commanded similar demand to Bitcoin ETF. Ayan, calculation lamang po ito ni Ginoong Stain Graber. Kung sakaling nagkaroon na rin po siya. Nagkaroon na rin po itong si XRP ng kanyang sariling XRP ETF. At posibleng yung performance ni Bitcoin na dulot ng kanyang ETF ay magiging katulad na rin yung magiging impact ng mga ETF dito kay XRP. Kaya yan, ngunit yan mga speculation labang po ito at hindi pa rin talaga tayo nakakasiguro na magagawang akyatin ni XRP ang presyong $23 maski nagkaroon siya ng kanyang sariling spot Ethereum ETF. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.